guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me and Kayla. Today I'm going to be showing you my second favorite slime. And you guys know that I always say that, oh that's my favorite, oh that's my favorite, oh that's my favorite. But the other slime is my favorite. This is my second favorite slime. So yeah, this is it. I made it. You don't see. Made it and yeah. Let's get it open because open sesame. I'm gonna squeeze it out because ew. Look at this grayish color. Not that stretchy. And if you guys don't know that you can make wax slime. Wax slime, like, do you guys know what wax is? It's like, it's a solid. And you could put it in this. Wax is like a candle thing. It's like, I don't really know how to explain it, but I really know what it is. It melts. Yeah. And I put little cotton balls in it. And yeah. Oh my god, ew, that's gross. I haven't felt this for a long time. Oh my god, it's not even that stretchy. I added potato patatas. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically just borax. Because borax is like, oh yeah, it's an activator. Everybody knows that. But I didn't like it to call it just that name. Ew, there's a hair. Because of my cousin, she was playing with it. Well, my boy cousin. Ew. That's not a perfect swirl. That looks like just a butt. Oh my god. Yeah. It's like wax stays on you. It doesn't stay on you, it's just, it will get on you. But you can take it off. This is not that, comment down below if you hear that. Okay, I'm gonna get a satisfying moment. That's not even satisfying! Oh my god. People have been like this when they their slime is hard, they'll be like this. But that is actually true because hard slime that I know how to do. It's everywhere. It's just like, if you guys were here in my house, you just saw. As you can tell, I'm behind my little couch. Sorry. If you guys hear the other noise, that's a washing machine because we got a new one. And it's like, look, that is a perfect swirl. Oh my god. It's not stretchy. You guys have been like, oh, how does she get these slimes? Because she never makes slime on her videos. I really try actually. I actually really try. It's just because I actually really try. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I will be giving shout outs right now. So shout out, first shout out, Yesenia Rodriguez. Victoria Chavez, she has a YouTube channel, so go check it out. It's D Chavez, Chaves. I mean Z, I think. Yeah, if you guys don't get it, yeah. So yeah, just thank you guys for watching my videos. Please go check out my other videos that I have made for you guys. I will keep on trying to get and I will be giving a giveaway. So if you would subscribe to my channel, leave a nice comment that said that you have subscribed to my channel, like this video, and watch this video. And if you guys did that, then I will be giving away something. So yeah, bye.